This particular video now for people wey be like say una dey work for the Italian side. Now you need to listen to this one because many of una don dey ask about this card, and I wish to make the video again to still explain, give to people outside there. So if you are interested, if you go do your own. Now as a worker here in Italy, not be obligatory, not be by force, not be must. It depends on individual. Now if you watch my hand, so you see get card where you see. This particular card na Sindaco card, Sindacate. It means say yes, as a worker here in Italy, they represent you. You don't get as your boss go fit cheat you or do anything mago. Anybody won't get this kind of card, they fear that person for war because they don't fit do you any kind of like say they won't cheat. Because in the card they see your booster pack, they see everything. They know how it they play. So now make you they see say once you get this card, your director de lavoro will just they fear you, you know, to cheat you. You know, go value fit possible. But I will advise people outside there, if you like say you don't get tempo indeterminato, no need to go think about this card. Because this particular card, if you get your capo go they fear you just as a test state. If for example you get tempo determinato, your contract fee expire, go say back, you know go feel renew them again, go just say maybe they go say you know feel renew your contract without even telling you. This particular card don't send many people away from their places of work. So it's advisable when you have tempo indeterminato before you get this particular card. Now when you get this card, so many function there, people will ask what will be the use of the card. As I explain give you, they don't fit cheat you. Secondly, if for example you lose your work or anything, if you want to go to this disoccupazione, they don't need to collect money for you because you already ready register to Sindacate. You want to do easy. You want to do, say maybe you want to renew documents, anything when you want to do application, say you get this card, you don't need to go CAF, you just need to go to Patronato. They will direct you to the office of any of them when you want to go do something. So now so it be. Now another thing again I want to state for you, because this video is just a kind of like analysis, 3 topics that they take the same time. Another thing again I want to state be say many people they aside that they say tax when they pay, they give Italian government when I don't work for different company. How I go take know the total tax when I don't pay, not be from your booster paga. Now, if for example you get this kind of card, or even if you not get the card, if you go for Patronato, CGL, then they say you won't know how much you don't contribute so far since when you work for Italy. Now, they will take your codice fiscale, they will type them for the system. You get the app where they take the check them. You go bring out all the places where you don't work. The first place where you first work for Italy, the year you go there. Second place where you don't work, the year you go there. You know, if you don't change work for different places, everything go there for that place. So each company or each place where you for take work, the tax where you pay for that year go there indicated. So those of you when they ask the question, is it possible for you to know all these things? If you go for CGL, just tell them now your code fiscal they just need. They go let you know, say see how much you don't pay. So now waiting on I need to understand. Now to conclude this video, you get one thing like I always they see, because now I can't say many people they repent. Now people they serious say yes, they won't follow to they regular, follow the law, all those kind of stuff. And that is they give advice. If you arrive for a country, for example Italy, newly, not just say maybe for example you won't just follow the fast lane at the end of the day, you go to get and clear, but you yourself you go not say the area where you they say it not to make sense. I know what they try to talk. We need to use bon sense to discuss this one. Now, people when they outside there, when don't run streets, when don't do many things, now many people won't try to come out. And also most people they watch me for you, make una not vex. I don't try to insult anybody. But me they see say the life when people don't live. So people there for this country, they don't already even kind of like settle down, get different kind of documents already, of which they systemize things up to now in order to say okay. Why people don't like say you come together with them, they will run piam. You know, all those kind of stuff. At the end of the day, it will be like saying a problem. So I'm not trying to maybe I want to determine or tell people how to live their life. What I want to try to state here be say, if you come for this country newly, try to learn something. Those things when you they learn, now it will help you in future. Now, if you see the case of this Qatar Sojourner when people they apply, many people don't qualify to get that Qatar Sojourner, but because of hard work, now you go they hold them for hostage. Everything they completed, not just only hard work. If you did that category, put them for comment section. Hard work is something like say, as you newly come the country, now there you go quickly forget all those things. If you don't the old day long time to they get those things, you know they get the time because you don't even get the zeal to go to school again because money don't spoil you. You don't already they see money for eye. To settle down, say you want to study something, it will day hard. So all these things you have to put it into consideration in the first place. So now so it just be. Or this video now just all about analysis. Now we come out from this area again. We'll talk about something like say it's still day important. Now they see some people that will feel say maybe as we did for the European side, meaning say life don't finish for a year. Because most of now, I'm gonna see many videos one that they do for Facebook, they talk blah 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 blah. I mean the content creator also, they will talk many things. Say yes, why you go they do things for Africa, you did for here, you did that, you do this. Now, the kind of poverino mentality when there's some people head, I don't know how it be. If for example now so you do anything for Africa, country where you take come or anything, it not still stop you may not do things for the European side where you did. Those of now when go just day like this, so when I go just see maybe yes, you day here, you just forget where you for take come all those kind of things. Time to come, we go know who they really they make error or who they make mistake. Because the same people when we say that they do things back home, they still apply also for here as well. But most of them are going to take them an advantage to see why person go they do all those things, you know. Like check, we're going to try to want determine for people how they want to live their life. It is very bad. I say time to come, people go know the real people when they this life. Because if you keep all your things for one lane, thinking say na so it go just be forever, my brother not be so it go be forever. And they talk this thing, people know they know. So if you dey outside there, not they blame anybody when like say he tried to want doing things, invest back home or do whatever. You get some majority of like say they do 50-50. You get me? So I don't know as I want to explain them. Because sometimes when they see social media, people they talk anyhow, they talk rubbish, they talk things where they're not supposed to talk. No matter how it be, this European we dey so, it not be our country. If you believe and you believe them, if you not believe and you leave them, time to come we go know whether in our country or not be our country. So you will be like say be African man, don't forget your roots. Waiting make you travel, come for Europe. First do those things as well as you do what you still do for here. It not stop you. Not get the mentality to be limited in one place. You could just circle your life for just one place. At the end of the day, finish. You need to use your flame. You need to use that, you know, blessing where God don't put inside you, home and abroad. Not be just only abroad. Home and abroad. So now so it just be. I greet all the fans of Prince TV out there. This one is just piece of advice. Say, not get mentality of poverino. You feel do things for here, also do for home. At the end of the day, you decide for yourself. Not be more say people go stay for Africa. Not be more say people go stay for Europe. At the end of the day, you decide for yourself. And so it just be. So you when they outside there, they listening to me like this. Not let anybody discourage you, say, why you they do anything back home? Why they do that one? My brother, now your country, anyhow it be, now your country. Now place where they for tape on you, now your nationality. Sometimes think of it. If you say you not come Europe, you know go there the country they live your life. Upon maybe like say God come bless you, then you know if you do things back home. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. I said when a flame of fire is burning, it will be burning. At the end of the day, ashes will remain there to bear a witness that he gets say something they there. You get me? So I don't know if I want to preach this one. So many of us they talk too much. A word is enough for the wise. As you they invest for Europe, also invest back home, my brother. Anyhow it be, you will see where you go for day. chook your head boots. This thing when they talk, when this is not for play or not for children. Time to come. Now go hear what they talk.